Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change TikTok account, country or region. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application, and then at the bottom right click on Profile button, and then at the top right 3 lines button, here it is, and then the last option, Settings and Privacy, and then you need to click on the second one option, Privacy. And then as you can see, I have location services option, but if you have another version of TikTok application, you won't see this button. So actually, if you can see this button, all you need to do is to go to your iPhone settings. Here it is, scroll down a little bit, click on the general option, then scroll down and click on the language and region. And then all you need to do is to click on the region button, and then you need to change your region here. So if you change it here, your location, your region in TikTok application will automatically change. You can also go to your App Store application, then at the top right click on your profile image button, then on your profile name, then you need to wait a little bit. Then scroll down and click on the country region button. Then you need to wait a little bit and then change your region here. So if you change it here, it will automatically change in TikTok application too. So and that's all, and that's how to change TikTok account, country or region. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.